Good morning, guys. Happy good morning and happy Sabbath to all Seventh-day Adventists around the world. This is my preparation na gumawa ako ng lettuce salad with cucumber, tomato, bell pepper, carrots, and of course gumawa din ako ng sarili kong Caesar dressing. Ayan, pang salad. O diba? Makagawa din ako ng my own style of Caesar salad. So, yan ang aking Caesar dressing para sa ating salad. So, ayan. Na-mix ko na ang ating salad at maya-maya ilagay ko na ang ating mga ilalagay pa. So, I will add on also California seedless raisins. Ayan, para sobrang sarap yung ating salata. They call it in Arab is salata or salad. So, ayan, vegetable salad natin, guys. Super sarap. And of course, i-arrange na natin. Nagluto din ako ng chicken. Yan, yung breast ng chicken lang, no? Ayan. Pang toppings. Diba? Namimiss ko na din itong healthy food na to. Shout out pala sa aking suki, no? My suki in the restaurant in our carinderia. He give me always, every Thursday, he give me always lettuce. Fresh lettuce every Thursday. So, ayan. Ginawa ko na yung iba last Thursday. At ito na naman ang natira. And of course, this time, ilagay ko na ang ating sariling gawang Caesar dressing. Ayan. So, yan. Maya-maya. So, because ngayon, we have fellowship in the church. Kaya yan.